Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best HVAC clamp meters that are available on the market for their true quality. These devices are essential tools for HVAC professionals and electricians who need precise and reliable measurements. If you're as passionate about getting the right tools as I am, stick around because we've got something for every budget and every use case. Be sure to check out the product links in the description below for more details. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Klein digital clamp meter. This versatile multimeter is designed with true RMS technology, allowing it to measure AC/DC current, voltage, resistance, and even temperature with impressive precision. One standout feature is its D-shaped jaw, which makes it easier to clamp onto cables, especially in tight spaces. The integrated non-contact voltage NCV detection with audible and visual alarms is a fantastic safety feature. And the backlit LCD screen ensures readability even in dimly lit areas. When it comes to design, Klein has gone the extra mile with user-friendly touches like a built-in flashlight and low battery indicator. The unit feels sturdy and well-made with an ergonomic grip that makes it comfortable to use for extended periods. Performance-wise, it delivers consistent results that are ideal for troubleshooting household solar systems, automotive electrical issues, and even light industrial applications. However, it lacks some advanced features you might find in higher-end models, which is why it ranks 5th on our list. The Klein digital clamp meter is perfect for DIY enthusiasts and entry-level professionals looking for a reliable, budget-friendly option. Its biggest strengths are its ease of use and safety features. On the downside, the lack of a listed price and fewer professional-grade capabilities make it less appealing for seasoned HVAC technicians. Overall, it's a solid choice for beginners or those looking for a backup device. Coming in at number 4 is the Fieldpiece SC260 Compact HVAC Clamp Multimeter. This device is tailor-made for HVAC professionals who need a dependable and durable tool for fieldwork. Its true RMS technology ensures accurate readings for AC and DC voltage, current, and capacitance, even in the most challenging environments. The auto-select mode is a unique feature that automatically detects whether you're measuring resistance or capacitance, making operations seamless and efficient. In terms of build quality, the Fieldpiece SC260 is compact and robust, designed to withstand the rigors of on-site work. The backlit display is bright and easy to read, and the sturdy swivel magnet allows for hands-free operation, a huge plus when working in cramped spaces. Performance-wise, the SC260 excels in delivering consistent and reliable measurements. It also includes handy extras like non-contact voltage detection and a continuity warning, making it a well-rounded tool for HVAC professionals. However, the lack of a listed price and fewer premium features compared to others on this list keep it from ranking higher. This clamp meter is best suited for mid-level professionals and technicians who value durability and straightforward functionality. Its strong points include its compact size, ease of use, and rugged design. On the downside, it doesn't offer some of the advanced connectivity or extended range features found in higher-end models. Overall, the Fieldpiece SC260 is a solid, dependable choice for HVAC fieldwork. At number 3, we have the Klein Tools CL320 Kit HVAC Kit, a complete package for HVAC testing. This kit includes the CL320 digital clamp meter, a dual-range, non-contact voltage tester, and a dual infrared probe thermometer. The clamp meter itself is equipped with true RMS technology, ensuring accurate measurements for AC/DC voltage, current, resistance, and more. The thermometer adds significant value with its ability to measure temperatures between -40 degrees Fahrenheit and 572 degrees Fahrenheit, making it ideal for checking air vents and ducts. The design is both functional and professional. Each tool in the kit feels durable and well-made, with the clamp meter featuring a bright flashlight for low-light conditions. The inclusion of the infrared and probe thermometer makes this kit versatile enough for a wide range of applications. In terms of performance, the CL320 kit delivers reliable results for both electrical and temperature measurements, and the non-contact voltage tester adds an extra layer of safety. This kit is perfect for professionals who need a comprehensive toolset for HVAC diagnostics. At $118.61, it offers excellent value for money with its multifunctional components. The only drawback is that it might be overkill for those who don't need the additional tools. And the thermometer is not designed for medical use. Overall, it's a fantastic choice for HVAC technicians who want a reliable, all-in-one solution. In the runner-up spot, we have the Fluke 902FC HVAC True RMS Clamp Meter. If you're looking for a premium tool with advanced features, this one's for you. The Fluke 902FC stands out with its Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to sync your meter with your smartphone for real-time data logging and analysis. It also includes specialized features like the ability to measure DC current for flame rods and an extended resistance range for thermistors up to 60,000 ohms. The build quality is what you'd expect from Fluke: rugged, reliable, and designed to last. The true RMS technology ensures accurate performance, even on non-linear signals. The device also captures flue gas temperature, making it an excellent choice for HVAC professionals who deal with combustion systems. At $319.29, it's the most expensive option on our list, but you're paying for top-tier functionality and connectivity. This clamp meter is ideal for seasoned HVAC technicians who need precise measurements and advanced features. Its high price point is justified by its durability, accuracy, and Bluetooth capability. On the downside, its cost might be prohibitive for beginners or those on a budget. Overall, the Fluke 902FC is a premium tool for professionals who demand the best. Finally, taking the top spot is the Klein Tools CL445 HVAC clamp meter. This is the ultimate combination of affordability, functionality, and reliability. At just $92.10, it offers an impressive range of features, including true RMS technology for accurate measurements, a dual voltage and current display, and non-contact voltage testing integrated into the clamp jaw. The inclusion of inrush current measurement and temperature testing makes it versatile enough for most HVAC applications. The build quality is excellent for its price point, with a slim, ergonomic design and a backlit LCD display that is easy to read in any lighting condition. It also comes with a carrying case, test leads with safety caps, alligator clips, and a thermocouple, making it a complete package for HVAC professionals and electricians. In terms of performance, the CL445 is reliable and user-friendly, with convenient features like a test lead holder and optional magnetic hanger for hands-free operation. This clamp meter is ideal for both beginners and professionals who want a high-quality tool without breaking the bank. Its strengths include its affordability, comprehensive features, and durable design. The only downside is that it might lack some of the advanced connectivity options found in premium models. Overall, the Klein Tools CL445 is the best HVAC clamp meter on our list, offering unbeatable value for its price. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.